Bonjour mes amis. This is a review of our fourth class. Let's start off with numbers from 0 to 30 as a review. Say it after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And just a reminder that 21, 21 does not have any hyphens, but all the other 20s do have a hyphen. So now let's review the homework that you did for today. The first was activity C on page 17. The answers will vary depending on who wrote this, obviously. So, je m'appelle, and you would write your name. Je m'appelle Carole, je m'appelle John, je m'appelle Juleni, etc. Je suis de, I am from, and there you would write what city you are from. Mon numéro de téléphone, c'est le 858. You can say the numbers individually. It's practicing your telephone number with individual numbers. Numéro 4, j'adore danser. I love to dance. That was from the dialogue. Also from the dialogue, je suis toujours libre pour danser. I am always free for dancing. And numéro 6 could be à demain, see you tomorrow, or à samedi, see you Saturday, whenever it is you want to go dancing. The next exercise was on page 19, where they gave you the numbers and you had to write it out in French. So the first one was 4, c'est 4 francs, and the franc, Swiss franc, is the denomination used in Switzerland, obviously. The rest of the countries in Europe use the euro, but Switzerland uses its own Swiss franc. And a Swiss franc, just for your knowledge and for your information, is about $1.03. Number 2 was 22 dirham. 22 dirham, and dirham is the denomination of Morocco, and 1 dirham is about 27 cents in American. Number 3, c'est 16 dinars. Dinar is a denomination used in Tunisia. It's worth about 51 cents. Numéro 4, c'est 9 euros. 5, c'est 12 euros. 6, c'est 21 francs. 7, c'est 30 euros. 8, c'est 17 dirhams. So just to practice this once more, let's imagine we're in this lovely bakery, and we're asking how much is it? C'est combien? Repeat after me. C'est combien? C'est combien? Croissant. Here's a delicious croissant here. So the croissant, you would say the price of this as 1 euro, 1 euro, 25. 1 euro 25. And just to point out that where we would use a decimal point to say $1.25, they use a comma, 1,25 €. So tell me, pain au chocolat, the chocolate-filled croissants here. How much are those? 1,30 €. Pain au raisin, these are the raisin pastries here. How much are these? 2,10 €. €2.10. Baguette, the long loaves of bread. How much are these? 2,15 €. Pain aux olives, the olive bread here. How much is this? 2,15 €. And the palmier, if you see the palmier, which are really lovely, crisp, large cookies. These are 1,20 €. Here's a little test for you. I'm going to say a number. Write it down. Number 1, 10. 10. Did you write down 10? Number 2, 8. 8. Number 3, 3. 3. Number 4, 13. 13. 13. Number 5, 15. 15. 15. Number 6, 20. 20. It's 20. Number 7, 24. 24. 24. Number 8, oops, sorry. Number 8, 2. I guess that was a 2. Number 9, 16. 16. And number 10, 17. 17. 17. So you can practice writing and hearing and saying these numbers by going to the flashcards on our Cougar course. I have 2 sets of flashcards for numbers. Okay, the next thing we're reviewing today is the verb être. As I said in class, it's one of the most essential verbs in French, and you have to know it backwards and forwards if you want to survive your 3 semesters. So the verb être. How would you conjugate that for je? Je suis optimiste. How do you spell that? Je suis. S-U-I-S. Tu. How would you conjugate this? Tu es fatigué. Number 3. Vous êtes énergique. Number 4. John est fatigué. How do you spell John? E-E-S-T, right? Stéphanie est contente. John et Stéphanie. You're putting together 2 people, male and female, so you use the pronoun ils, plural. Ils sont de San Diego. Remember, you never pronounce the S on the end of that il unless there's a vowel that follows it. Number 7, nous sommes pessimistes. That was that. Here are the answers, so you can check your spelling. Like I said, you have to know this verb perfectly to survive your 3 semesters in French. And here it is, the verb être. And I have flashcards on our Cougar course so you can practice the verb more. Here's another exercise for you. Les classes sont difficiles. Number 2, tu es optimiste. Number 3, nous sommes actifs. Je suis sociable. Donald Trump est riche. Les étudiants sont pauvres. Students are poor. La princesse Kate est élégante. We pronounce the T on A-E-S-T because we're starting with a vowel here. Les livres sont chers. Books are expensive, you know that. Paris Hilton est stupide ou intelligente? We're asking a question. And vous êtes de Californie. See if you spelled these correctly. And then just to finish off, we're reviewing the numbers 31 to 69. So repeat after me. 30, 40, 50, 60. And the rest you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just again to remind you that the 31, 41, 51, 61, etc. do not have a hyphen when you spell them, and they also have the A, and the other numbers all have a hyphen. So it's 31, but it's 32, 33, 45, 57, etc. So you can practice here by saying these numbers. Quel est votre numéro? What is your number? C'est le, it is, le, say this number, 18, 35, 43, 67, 12. Numéro 2, c'est le 52, 15, 44, 62, 11. Numéro 3, c'est le 38, 07, 61, 21, 49. Numéro 4, what is this? C'est le 66, 41, 03, 14, 59. So you can practice these again with the flashcards on our Cougar course.